We were originally interested in looking at gender differences in slang use with the added factor of being exposed to either a sexy or neutral image beforehand when we came across an article that looked at the social acceptability of slang terms across genders. And so we added the social acceptability component with the exposure component to look at whether or not a participant viewed a sexy or neutral image would affect how socially acceptable they perceive certain words, specifically sexually derogatory terms. In order to do that, we randomly assigned participants to view a screenshot of a fake Facebook profile that we made. All the information and everything on the screenshot was the same except for the profile picture. One condition was the sexy image, so that image was more revealing, more provocative looking, and then the other image was neutral, long sleeve, long length, kind of covered up. And then we asked participants 3 questions about 12 terms, 6 of which were sexually derogatory, and the other 6 were meant to be more neutral and distractor terms. The 3 questions were: how comfortable would you be seeing this term used on Facebook? How likely would you be to use this term in your own Facebook? And regardless of context, how socially acceptable do you view this word? We expected a main effective gender in the image that they saw beforehand. So we expected men overall to view the sexually derogatory terms as more socially acceptable. And we expected people who viewed the sexy image to view the terms as more socially acceptable. We were also hoping for an interaction effect, meaning we were thinking that the men who viewed the sexy image would view the terms as more socially acceptable as well. Unfortunately, none of our tests came back significant, so we have non-significant results for those, but I did look at the means across all the terms and how socially acceptable they were viewed, and overall the men did find the sexually derogatory terms more acceptable than women. It just wasn't a statistically significant difference, so we did still sort of find what we were looking for, so that is interesting. There were probably issues with the number of participants we had in our very unequal ends, but overall we did see a slight relationship, so that is exciting.